arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators help disputing parties resolve conflicts outside of the court system by facilitating negotiation and dialogue. Work environment. Many arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators work for state or local governments or in the legal services industry. How to become one. Arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators typically gain their knowledge and skills through a combination of education, training, and practical experience. Salary. The median annual wage for arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators is $63,930. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators is expected to grow by 8%, much faster than the average for all occupations. Mediation and arbitration are expected to grow due to the fact that they are typically faster and less expensive than litigation and may be required in certain types of legal cases. Licensing. Some states require arbitrators to be licensed. Attorneys' licensing is also necessary to gain adequate work experience in other regulated industries, like real estate or construction. Experience. 5 to 10 years of experience practicing law or working in a related industry. Key skills. Decisiveness, strong reasoning, and communication skills. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.